To track business performance and view financial summaries in Invoix.biz, start by clicking the Reports tab on the left panel. Let's begin with the Sales Invoice Report. This report shows every invoice created in the system. Each row displays the invoice ID, customer name, total amount, and its current status, whether it's overdue, cancelled, or completed. You can use filters at the top to quickly locate unpaid invoices or credit notes. This helps track receivables more effectively. Next, the payment report lets you review all customer payments received. Here you'll see payment IDs, payment methods like cash or wire transfer, and which customer it came from. This helps match receipts with invoices and check your daily or monthly cash inflow. To see a full snapshot of your financial health, open the Income versus Expense dashboard. This section displays your income and expense totals for the year, along with net profit or loss. You can also toggle views by year or monthly performance and monitor trends in your outgoing bills. The Report section gives you powerful tools to stay on top of payments, measure profitability, and keep your finances in check, effortlessly and accurately. We encourage you to explore our full video series to learn more about using Invoix.biz. Our team is ready to support you. Thank you for choosing Invoix.biz, your trusted solution for efficient, compliant, and professional business management.